Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Tim and welcome to Simple Tech Review. Today we'll be taking a look at the BlueAnt Pump Zone Mega Bass Wireless Headphones and find out if they can live up to their claim of Mega Bass headphones. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's get into our review process, and it's based on all or a combination of these pillars: presentation, aesthetics, usability, affordability, and is it as promised. So as you can tell, when it comes to over-the-ear headphones, I really like the Bluedio product, and one thing I like most about them is their presentation. And BlueAnt's presentation comes, well, let's say somewhat close. However, the BlueAnt Pump Zone packaging, while mostly black, jumps out at you and screams, "Hey, you need me, and here are all the reasons why you need me." Look, you are overwhelmed with just so much information. And I think it's a little odd that at first glance, you would think that the name of the company is Pump Zone, and that BlueAnt is just another feature that they stuck on the box. Even the kangaroo is bigger and placed higher than the company's name. And to say the least, the outer box needs a total redesign. Once you open the box, again you'll smack with more branding and pictures. I mean, come on BlueAnt, that's just way too much. Moving on, there's a layer of plastic that covers the carrying case. And once the carrying case is removed, you see the instructions. And finally, once the case is open, you get the headphones, a 3.5mm cord, and a micro USB charging cable. As usual, I like to start the aesthetics with the carrying case. And the provided carrying case is very nice and sturdy. I like the small branding, and your case matches the headphone color combination, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. The zipper tracks are large and easy to open and close, and any gym rat can tell you once you've gotten some pre-workout in you or a good pump during or after your workout, the last thing you want to deal with is a little zipper that you can easily break while you're still in beast mode. Speaking of beast mode, these headphones are marketed towards the fitness community, and looking at the design, I must say that I really like them. They have more of a lower profile than something like the Faith 2s, which makes perfect sense as a workout headphone. The Pump Zones are built to last. They have an aluminum alloy hinge that feels solid and aluminum alloy housing around the back of the ear cup where the controls are that should hold up to most bumps and drops. The ear cups have a generous amount of cushion encased by an antimicrobial leather material that allows for breathability, which works great. The headband is also encased in the same material, but I think it could have used just a little bit more cushion. Now, despite the overkill that was on the outside of the box, the branding on the headphones is very respectable. At the top of the headband, you will find the BlueAnt logo, while on the right side, you will see a small pump logo, and on the left side, you will see the Zone logo. Now, when it comes to the color combinations, there are a lot of them, including black and gray, black and red, black and blue, black and rose gold, and black and green. And with this many color options, you're sure to find a color that works for you. BlueAnt has delivered a great feature-packed pair of headphones that boast features like HD audio with heavy bass provided by their 40mm neodymium drivers that deliver deep and accurate bass response, a CSR chipset with aptX and 8AC for great sound performance. They can also be used wired via the 3.5mm aux port, as well as wireless via Bluetooth 4.1. They offer easy connections with the use of NFC technology, along with a wideband microphone for calls, and they boast up to 30 hours playback on a single charge. Now, on to what I consider my favorite thing about these headphones, which has to be the button layout. With some headphones offering buttonless swipe controls, while others, for the sake of aesthetics, having all the buttons bunched at the bottom of the headphones, BlueAnt's no-brainer approach is awesome. Look, when I'm in the gym working out, I don't want to have to worry about accidentally swiping the ear cup while doing arm presses or having to search for small buttons in between sets. This layout is simple and effective, and if you have a nice pump going or juiced up on pre-workout, you don't want to be fooling around with small buttons that you might press so hard that they get stuck. And again, all of my gym rats know exactly what I'm talking about. Now the last thing I'll talk about in the usability section is the gift and the curse of the clamp force of these headphones. I'll start off with the gift. The clamp force is tight to say the least, but the gift is when I'm going ham in the gym or walking and running, I really hate having to continually adjust and readjust my headphones because I'm constantly moving. But with the BlueAnts, I don't have that problem because they're securely fixed to my head. Now, the curse. First of all, the fit of the headphone is overall comfortable, but because of the clamp force, I can't keep them on any longer than an hour and a half to 2 hours max before I have to give myself a break. Now again, to BlueAnt's credit, these are marketed toward the fitness community, and if you're working out longer than 2 hours, you might need to invest in a personal trainer so that they can show you how to be more effective with your time. Look, we don't have to spend a lot of time on affordability. At the time I purchased these headphones, they were $49.99. Now, there are a lot of decent over-the-ear headphones for under $50. However, it is like they sat down with a group of fitness fanatics and asked them to create the perfect, affordable, over-the-ear headphone, and they produced these. And of course, there are going to be other, more expensive fitness headphones that may offer a few more features, but I'm going to go ahead and say it. You won't find a better all-around fitness headphone for under $50 than this pair right here. So I know I talked a lot about the features, build, and aesthetics, but all of that would be for nothing if they didn't sound good. When I first got these, the mids and the highs sounded very muddy, and I was about to send them back until I reached out to a fellow content creator just doing life, and he said, man, just give it a little while. Well, I gave them about 2 weeks, and one day I picked them up and they sounded crystal clear, almost on the level as the Faith 2's mids and highs. I guess I didn't give them enough time to burn in, but I'm glad I did. Now when it comes to bass, the Pump Zone deliver with ease. They remind me of the skullcandy crushers with the bass slider at the halfway point, which is the sweet spot, because if you've tried those, you know that if you go any higher than that, the bass completely takes over and the sound profile falls apart. But the Pump Zone has done an amazing job. And the volume that these headphones put out is just crazy loud, so much so that there's not even a need for noise cancellation at all. So needless to say that they have received my seal of approval, and they are as promised and much more. Well, this has been my review of the BlueAnt Pump Zone. If you have any questions on this or any other device I review, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you liked the review, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Hey, my name is Tim with Simple Tech Review, and we'll see you next time.